Today we about to get these bead locks mounted on the hellcat. See all these boxes everywhere. I already put the tire. I mounted the tires. I tightened the you know what I mean, the bead lock screws, all that. I'm gonna go to the shop, get them balanced, and then if they throw them on for a decent price, I have them throw it on. If not, I'll just throw it on at the house. So we about to see. A partner in crime today. See, car's all cleaned up. Let me show y'all real quick. Bam. S77, 305, 45, 17. You see that? You know what I mean? Helps with that grip under 40. So we got the wheels on. They look amazing. The guys had the car jacked up. They were like, yo, it's hitting the sway bar links. I was like, what? There's no way, because when I looked it up, they fit. But once they lowered the car, they realized that they fit. So everything's good, fit perfectly. Can't really test them out because, you know, got a baby in the car. Like, you ain't go fast as a baby in the car. Kind of against doing that, but I'm gonna get some test hits later on, and I'll let y'all know how it is. Is that 30? So, I'm tired, man. So we work a lot so we can enjoy our toys. Bead locks, they look sick. It definitely grips more. The car makes so much power, it doesn't matter. Like if I floor it, it's still gonna lose traction, but it rips and grips, so it definitely worth the purchase price. I might get some front runners, I'm just deciding right now, but it looks good how it is. I'm happy how it looks.